Hello, Bryce Cycles here. So yung ride natin na today is with the Pedal and Pause Cycling Club. So yung group ko, so may nagyaya umikot ng ABC. So that's Angono, Pinangonan, Cardona, and then naakyat ng Pinugay, and then naakyat ng Boso-Boso. So ang ginamit ko dito yung aking road bike. Supposedly yung gravel bike gagamitin ko dahil alam ko yung daan is malubak. Pero parang gusto ko i-try yung road bike ko this time. So, ayan no, madami-dami kami kanina, may bago ring mga sumali. Siguro mga 12 kami total. And then, ayun, masaya naman yung ride. Ayun, panoorin nyo. So, makikita nyo gaano kahirap yung mga ahon sa Pinugay. Ay!
Pedal post ka?
Ha? Pedal Pause. Brian.
Owen. Owen. Wala pa.
Hey. Good morning. So, ayun yung group. Pedal and Pause. So, next week kasi medyo hectic yung aming schedule sa office. Sabi ko, mukhang kailangan ko yata mag-drive ng medyo malayo-layo. So ito, sumama ako sa Pedal and Pause na ride. Although ano lang naman, ABC, Morong, Akyat Pinugay, Boso-Boso, tapos baba. So sana kayanin. Naghihintay pa yata ng ibang mga kasama. So enjoy lang. Alright. Hintayin na lang yung iba. Yung iba na una.
Daming vlogger ngayon.
Oo nga, parang apat eh. May kasama rin kayo dun eh. Nagpo-vlog din kayo eh. Okay, so nag-left na kami from the highway. Ganda dito. Siya nga pala, gusto ko ipakita yung aking post-ride meal. So ito yung Sambazon Acai. So ito yung scoopable acai. This is from Brazil. So ini-import to ng company ko from Brazil. Sambazon is the #1 acai brand in the whole world. Yung nagsimula nung company ng Sambazon, si Ryan Black, siya actually yung nag-commercialize ng idea of eating acai. So, ayan, kung nakikita niyo yung mga video ko, baka napansin niyo yung ang gamit ko yung Giant Revolt. Meron akong sticker dun sa stem ng acai bowl. So, kasi yun nga yung aking post-ride meal. So, it's a nutrient-dense, healthy product. Medyo mataas lang yung calories niya, kaya kinakain ko lang siya after a long ride. To replenish my energy. So, sa US, kinukonsume din siya ng mga surfer. Kasi nga, ayun, calorie din siya. So, to replenish the energy ng katawan. So, scoopable siya. So, yan, parang ice cream, ano. I usually top it with bananas, granola. Yung iba nilalagyan pa ng pistachio cream sa taas para masarap. Pero ako okay na yung banana and granola. Masarap na yun. And it's really refreshing and really replenishes the energy of the body. So if interested kayo dito, I'm inviting you to visit our booth sa WOFEX Manila, World Food Expo Manila sa SMX, July 29 to August 1. So, bumisita kayo sa booth namin, tikman nyo itong Sambazon Acai and taste how refreshing it is. Saktong-sakto sa ating mga nagbabike. No? After magbike, pagod tayo, ganyan. So, this one, magre-replenish talaga ng energy natin. So, ayun lang po and enjoy the video.
Sabang cheese rolls. 220 pesos. Name na ba? Wala ng cheese rin.
Okay, so layo na natin. Probinsya na. Pero, very peaceful. Okay, tapos nang kumain. Ride out na ulit. Ahon na from here.
Hindi pala ako naka-join sa group ride kanina.
Ay, hindi ba?
Hindi, okay lang. So makikita mo na distance ko sa'yo.
Ah, okay, okay. Sige. Okay, na-flat. Naiiwan na ako ng group. So, na-plug ko naman na. So, parang okay naman na. Ride ko na to. Nakahabol din. Sa Alphamart. Pahinga lang.
It was one of those nights I was feeling kind of lethargic and I knew I shouldn't have went to that place at all, but whatever was in my mind, my body pushed those thoughts aside because I just wanted to dance.
Be Kobe with the 8. Understanding 24, this all could go away. You matter in this world, realize this the stage. Lost starts, it could be any day. Have a say. Ribbon a while since it felt like this. Ribbon a while since it felt like this.
Those roses and daisies and tulips and paisley skies. Was it that time of dream? Or was I just high on the sound of the speaker that was coming out the wall? Or was it just another dream?
Euphoric, heavenly, sky-high melodies. We live and alive, but the vibe fly fresh in me. It's all chemistry, light brighter than gold. You know that glow, the kind of light that touch souls. When in that mode, ain't no coming down. Happy zone, chill spot where I'm running round. So much drama on the globe, gotta stay afloat, out of scope. Crank the radio, my gamma ray of hope, yeah.
Ribbon a while since it felt like this. Ribbon a while since it felt like this. Ribbon a while since it felt like this. Ribbon a while since it felt like this.
Ito ako sa entrance ng Yapak. Tukod. top of the climb. Pababa na to, then left Pinugay Road. Next is Mang Vix naman na ahon. So hindi pa rin tapos. Pagod na ako.
Mabait naman ako sa'yo, di ba? Grabe yun. Limang taon mo daw. Saan ba tayo? Dito. Dito na lang.
Buso Hotel. Kaso maampo na. Coffee. Ay, finally. Hey, so mauna na ako sa group. May hinahabol pa akong schedule. So, hinihintay ko yung wife ko. So, hindi ako umabot sa cut-off ng visa ko. Kaya susunduin na raw ako dito. So, ayun, hanggang alas 12 lang ang visa ko every Sunday kasi. So, ayun. 12:17 na. At may lakad pa kami. So, susunduin na ako dito. So, yun na naman. So, yan. Puro putik na dumi. Pinapit ko nga pala dito yung SPD ko na pang road. Kasi yung road shoes ko ay cloth or mesh. Hindi pwede pang tag-ulan. So yan muna. Kaya naka-XC3 tayo. Bahala na kayo kung anong gusto nyo sabihin. So far okay naman siya for me. Okay. So nasundo na ako. Total ride 81 kilometers, 800 meters climbing. So it's a good weekend ride. And yun lang, hindi ako umabot sa cut-off na 12 kaya sinundo na ako. Dahil may lakad pa kami. So sabi ko nga, kaya ako pinilit mag-ride ng medyo mahaba ngayon is next week is going to be hectic and stressful for me kasi WOFEX week na yun, World Food Expo. So may 2 booths doon yung company ko. If you have time, drop by and say hi to me. So yung dalawang brands natin nandun is yung Sambazon, actually 3, and then Ulala and Grand Tusina. And then kung may oras kayo, punta kayo sa Thursday 6 PM kitchen demo. Meron tayong Italian chef na pinapunta para magturo sa atin how to put Italian flair sa mga Filipino favorite desserts and pastries natin. I have 2 extra tickets. So paunahan na lang unang mag-comment. Gusto ko ng ticket, bibigay ko sa kanya. I-meet ko na lang kayo doon sa SMX. So again, yung WOFEX will be happening from Wednesday to Saturday. If you have time, drop by sa booth namin. So, thank you so much. Again, this is Bryce Cycles. Ride safe. Thank you.
Be Kobe with the 8. Understanding 24, this all could go away. You matter in this world. Realize this the stage. Lost starts, yeah, could be any day. Have a say. Ribbon a while since it felt like this. Ribbon a while since it felt like this.
Those roses and daisies and tulips and paisley skies. Was it that time to trip?